Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making this simple but rich and yummy potato salad. If you are interested in what I am making today, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I will be using my cooked potato. I'll also be using seedless green olive, or you can also call it pitted green olive. I have tuna. I have to type here tuna with green peas and the normal tuna. I have sweet corn, and finally I have my cooked 4 eggs. So let's get started. I will start by cutting each egg into 4 parts. Afterward, I will set aside. You can use as many eggs as you want. However, at this point, the next thing for me to do is to assemble everything together. I'll start by adding the sweet corn into the potato, then followed by my green olive. I will also be adding the tuna, and then I will go ahead to add the cooked eggs. I will also be adding some olive oil, and finally I will add some salt, and thereafter I will go ahead to mix everything together to combine. If you don't have all the ingredients I used in this potato salad, you can still go ahead to make the salad, and also you can use whatever ingredients you have. I will just go ahead to garnish with some of the cooked eggs. Look at that, guys. Please try out this recipe. It was so yummy and so tasty. When you do, please tag me. And don't forget to subscribe. I added a little bit of spices, mayonnaise and some hot pepper. Thanks for watching. Bye.